Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate image in the Darktable. So let's go straight into it. Now you have already probably imported an images which you will edit here in Darktable, and you want to rotate this picture. So how you can do that? Here on the right side you will see some menu with some tools. And if you go look here at the below this graph here, you will see some options. So we have show only active models, base, color, correct, and effects. So click here on the effects, right, like that, and then you will see here that you have some options. So you have watermark, framing, vignetting, grain, contrast equalizer, and also composite. So here under the composite you will see rotation. So if you then move this slider left or right, image will start to move. Just like that. And this is how you can rotate image in Darktable. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.